Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to just talk to you about this Sony charger. This is for a camcorder. The model number on this is AC-V16. That's what it says right in the back here. This is made by Sony, and what this is a camera or a camcorder battery charger, also power supply. Now the reason why they did it this combination this way is that you can either charge this, you can charge it, or you can use it as a VTR, which is basically like a VCR. There's an indicator, there's a little switch here. You can move back and forth. I can show you that right here. You can move this back and forth with your finger like that, this way or that way. So you can either charge it or you can use it as a VTR. Basically, you can just output onto your computer. Just move this over. So like that, use your finger. And that's how that works. So you can charge it or you can use it as a VTR, which basically use it as a VCR. You can hook this right up to your camera and output the camera power, and it actually will power the camera or charge the battery. That's the two options that you have. So if you have it on VTR, it powers the camera. If you have it on charge, it'll charge the battery. Now, it won't do both at the same time, but you can do one or the other. It does come with the power cord, and it does come to the adapter that slides in the back of your camera. You just take this cover off, and this slides onto the camera and powers it with these two connectors right here. And that's how you power your Sony camcorder. Again, made out of plastic. This is the factory one that Sony does sell, and it works fantastic. It's 7.5 volts. And 18 amps is the power rating on this. It does have a battery indicator. It lights up here, so it does say when it's charging. It'll show you right here. Right there, you can see that where it says charging. We want to get a close up. It says charging. That'll be lit up. The power button will go. This will light up when it's plugged into the power source. And it's very intuitive, and it gives you all the feedback that you need. Lets you know when it's charged, the light will go off, things like that. So that's what I have for you. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. Nice long cord. This is probably about 10-foot cord, so you can run it across and use it. And all right, that's what I have. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this just quick update and quick review, don't forget to follow the channel for more. Appreciate your time, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.